show you how to harmonize this hymn, Alleluia, Sing to Jesus. I will mostly use the chord 1, 4, and 5, but occasionally I will also add the chord 2 and the chord 6 to make it sound more colorful. Okay, so let's start. The first phrase, I will mainly use 1, 4, 5 to harmonize. You notice when I play chord 4, I prefer not to jump from chord 1 to chord 4 because it's very prone to error, and also there will be a lot of parallel fifths, which is not great. So I will play chord 1, but for chord 4 I will play 4, 6, 1 in this order. So it is the second inversion. And when I played 5, I can do this. So 2, 5, 7, 7, 5, 7, 2. But I instead, that's the first inversion of the chord 5. So one thing to get used to this is just to be familiar with the hand position. 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. Or 5, 1, 4, 1. That's just to try to memorize the position instead of thinking of the 3 notes separately. Okay, so we can start. 1, chord 4, 5, 1, 5, 1. The second phrase is just a repeat. I'm going to add some minor chord. I could have just played it using the normal major chord. I could still continue to just do it, use 1, 4, 5. It will not go drastically wrong. It's always very safe to use the chord 1, 4, 5 to harmonize things. But it's less emotional, it's less expressive. So what I want to do, I want to start with chord 3. So chord 3 is made up 3, 5, 7. It's not very different from 1, which is 1, 3, 5. So instead of playing 1, I will have 7 instead. And then, so you can tell the difference. As opposed to, or you play 3, 5, 7. The minor chord sounds more emotional. Now, I want to do 3, 6. The easier way to do 3, 6 is you start 3 with the root position. Chord 6 is 6, 1, 3. So you can hold this 3 and move your top 2 fingers up. So that's chord 3, 6. 3, 6. And next we'll do 2, 5. 2 is made up of 2, 4, 6. 2 and 5 is like that. So 3, 6, 2, 5. Anyway, let's put right hand melody in. 3, 6, 2, 5. And then we can have 1, 6, 2, 5. 1, 1, 6, 2, 5. Let's just analyze this. So I've just played 2, 5. My hand is like this, and then I want to do chord 1. I move back to 1, 3, 5. And I want to do 6. Basically, I simply move my thumb up from 5 to 6. That's from chord 1 to chord 6. And when I want 2, I can make root position as well. So 2, 4, 6 is the chord 2. right hand melody. 1 1 6 2 5. Yeah, so sort of a step up each time. Some up. Yeah, the last 2 fingers up, and the top 2 fingers up. Yeah, to put the third line together, it sounds like this. I played a different 5 this time. I do it again. Let's play the third phrase. I want the chord 1 2 1 5. Yeah, I will just do 1 2 lastly, I have 1 4 5 1. It's actually better if you play 1 4 1 5 1, like. Or even better if you can play 1 C 5 1. Play the 1 in the third inversion. Thank you very much for watching. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to play this piece on the organ using pedal board as well as the keyboard. If you are interested, please follow my channel.